Weather Words is a production of The Reporter, Delaware County's leading news source.
Good day to everyone. My first advice, be careful where you step. All the spots that look clear are probably slippery. Step on the spots where there's snow. You know, before last night, we had 3 really warm days. We had 54, 45, and 50. And it was wonderful outside. And then there was last night. Last night at 10 o'clock, when I went to put 2 logs on my wood stove, I flipped on the back light and couldn't even see the wall outside the window. It was snowing that hard. And I put the logs on, went to bed, and said, I hope this doesn't keep up for very long. Well, actually, it didn't keep up for more than about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. But during that time, and again, when I take my snow measurements, you don't do driveways, you don't do walkways. You go to 3 places in the lawn. One had 3, one had 5, the other had 4. You average that together, that's 4 inches of snow. So that's what I called in. It was 1,800 inches more worth of liquid. Today, we're going to be lucky if we get to the low 30s. But we're going to get some sunshine, which might actually melt some of this, even though it's going to be below freezing. But I decided I was going to go in and tally up how much snow we've had in March. You know, everyone kept saying this is a snowless winter, except we've had 40.1 inches of snow this month. And when you add that all together with what fell, we've made up every shortage for every month, and we actually are over 100 inches of snow. And you say, but where was it? An inch here, 2 inches there. It melted, 2 more inches, 3 more inches, but it all added up. And we are actually above normal in snowfall now, believe it or not. Except I've only saw 2 different times when people got their snowmobiles out, but at least they got to ride them. This, I hope, will not last very long, because believe it or not, tomorrow's going to be 50. 60 on Saturday, with possible line of thunderstorms coming through on Saturday. So expect rain, make it heavier in the afternoon, but you might wake up tomorrow morning and see some snow flurries falling. And that, if you read my thing in the paper where it talks about changeable everything, I mean, you go from 54 degrees to 19, to snow on the ground, to 50, and even the Weather Channel and things are saying, quite a change in temperature. Yeah. Next week, believe it or not, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, put us back in the upper 50s to maybe 60, except throw some more rain in there and along with it. But they say it'll be spring-like temperatures for next week. So right now, just be careful where you step. I think the roadways are probably pretty good. And I didn't see any trouble with the trucks going by, so I guess everything's fine. It's just cleaning up and let your car thaw out. It took 15 minutes to thaw mine out this morning. Other than that, oh well, here it is. Maybe even enough for the kids to sleigh ride on this afternoon. We'll have to see. Have a good one.
To subscribe or advertise, call 607-464-4009.